Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Brushista from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top right, and let's draw the first eye with a circle. And then let's draw another one next to it on the right, but slightly lower. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw another circle on the bottom right corner. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move up and let's draw the first ear. On top of the left eye, let's draw a curve up and back down. And another curve inside. Now next to the ear, let's draw a curve out to the right for the bottom of the hat. Now from the end, let's curve it up, and then another curve back over to the ear. And now let's color the hat in black. Lastly, on top of the hat, let's draw a small triangle up and back down like this. Now let's move under the hat and let's draw a curve down to the right eye. And then a curve up and over for the other ear. And that's it for the ears and hat. Now let's move down and draw the rest of the head. Let's continue that headline on the other side of the eye by curving it down. Then let's hop underneath the right eye here and let's draw a curve across. Then continue it down on the right side. Now let's close off the end. Next at the bottom here, let's draw the tongue. Let's start with two wavy lines down. And then close off the end. And that's it for the head. Now let's move back over and let's finish drawing the rest of the body. Under the head here, let's draw one more curve down and over. Now let's hop up next to the ear and let's draw a curve out to the left. And then underneath this line, we're going to draw the first arm. Let's start inside the body here and let's draw a curve down. And then from the top of the back, let's draw another longer curve down in the same way. Now from the ends of both lines, let's curve it over and down to the right. Now underneath the left line, let's curve it down. And the same thing from the right line, but we're going to curve it back underneath like this. Now at the end, let's add the hand. Let's draw a V shape at the top, then another one out, and one more at the bottom. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's hop on top and let's draw a curve down, and then continue it underneath the arm. Now let's draw the next arm on the right here. Underneath the neck here, let's draw two curves going down and out to the right. And then a wavy line down underneath the left line. And then from the other line, a curve down and over. And again, let's add the hand with 3 points in the same way. And that's it for the other arm. Now let's move over and finish drawing the body. Let's start on the left side here and let's draw a curve down and out. And then for the beginning of the tail, let's draw an angled rectangle. Next, before we finish the tail, let's add the legs. Let's start on the bottom right of the rectangle and let's draw an S-shaped curve over and down. Now under this line, let's step up and let's draw an angled curve. And then bring it out to the left. Now let's hop back up to the body line and let's draw a curve down and over for the other side of the leg. And then 2 curves down to the right underneath. Now for the foot at the end, let's draw 3 bumps. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's draw the other one next to it on the right. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw an angled line down and out. And then curve it down. Now let's hop next to it on the left and let's draw another curve down here. A bump down. And then curve it out. Now underneath both lines, let's draw another set of curves down and over. And again, let's close off the foot with 3 toes. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move over to the left and add the tail. From the top of the rectangle, let's draw an angled line down and out. And then a curve underneath. Next, at the end here, let's draw another rectangle. Now at the end here, let's add the brush. From the top, let's draw a wavy line out. And then from the bottom, let's curve it down and over to close off the tail. And that's it for Brushista. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!